the future. The polar ice caps have melted, and the continents are deep beneath the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called Waterworld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of Dryland, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find dry land first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
Oh my God! It's a woman! Looks like it's Helen! Return signal! Open the gate!
Close the gates! Mac, look out!
Helen! Woo! It is so good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
This is pure dirt. How'd you come by this?
We've been to dry land?
Dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth, I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The Deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance! Battle stations! Helen, get to the tower. Get on that water cannon. Max, sound the alarm! And then get on that water cannon! Right! Get over to the armory. Make sure you lock up the gate. Seat plate. Is there a seat plate? Max! Incoming from the south! Kyle, move! I'm Tiger Woods. Hey, who caught my golf ball? Where is it? Hold it nice and up. Hey, cousin, you got my golf ball. Wait. We might need these people. Bag this. Brothers and sisters. Hey, did you hear that? We are not your brothers and sisters. Am I right? Somebody shut him up. Somebody shuts us up, Deacon. Thank you. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. Desolate children, you poor souls floating around on this pile of sheep metal. The provider has spoken, and he told me personally that someone here knows the way to dry land. That's right, my flock. I said dry land. And we're going to pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it, sweet Joe above. We're going to use it, cruise it, drill it and fill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you. Neither will the mariner.
The mariner. Hey, Chuck, close the gate. The mariner. You mean that half-man, half-fish boyfriend of yours? The one who took out my eye?
Yeah! Is that what they're talking about, huh? Huh?
Bring me the girl! Now, may I offer you a smoke? Oh, you want to play games? Oh, very well then. Let's play games. Keep an eye on her. What do we got over there, boys?
We got an eight-holer!
Uh-huh.
And he's got dirt!
He's got dirt. And I didn't know the way to dry land. So, the name of the game is, the first one who talks, lives.
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Well, I guess that makes you the winner.
Elaine! Don't tell him anything!
And that guy, the loser, drop him.
No.
Now you see, Helen? You're gonna show me a way to dry land, huh? Are you nuts?
Jet ski are approaching at high speed!
Hold that thought! Shoot him!
He's gone!
What do you mean he's gone?
He's gone under the water!
It's the mariner. It's the mariner! All right, boys, the mariner's here and I want him dead. Shoot him! Don't you stop! Helen! Where do you think you're going? Obviously you can leave. The party's just beginning. Ah! Oh, you're gonna die. Girl, bring it back. Hey, cousin, he's right there. I can see him. He only got one eye. Hey, Vernon! When I tell you to take his head off. Now, Vernon! Take his head off! Oh, come on! We got guns. He's got one and he's still kicking up butts. Bring me the girl! Hey, who trained that guy?
That was you!
Chuck, fix this! Oh. Helen, what are you doing with that fish, boy? He's not too kind. You know, I don't think he has a kind. Let's relay the flounder, eh? Oh, I like this game. Now look. Not him!
Nice job!
And I'm empty. Quick, go find me another weapon. You're not gonna ruin my plans for dry lands, you mutant guild freak. Because you're nothing but a guild-net mutating freak. Find me a weapon!
Hey, boss! How about this?
Hey, Mariner! What the hell is showing me? Moon versus fish!
Hey! Get something in your face! I got something on your... Banana? I think we got him.
Helen! And you've got something on your back. Why is he still alive? Well, go kill him! And then when you're done, send him my seaplane. We'll blow this place to Kingdom Come. I'll take care of this myself.
Hey, boss!
Ah, shut up! Not cousin! We're not playing around. I need something with a little more firepower. Ask and ye shall receive. Hey, Mariner! Say hello to Big Bertha! Come on now. Stand in one spot. Using Chuck as a shield. I never liked Chuck.
No, Mariner!
Yes! Winner! Thank you. Oh, Helen. A single tear rolls down my cheek. All right, boys. Signal my seaplane. Hey, boys! What do you know? Looks like all my guys are dead. And so is your boyfriend. Let me see that ladder. Start climbing. Faster! For I have a new vision. Our privilege for two to dry land. Just think of it, Helen. You, me, and the sweet smell of dry land. Now do yourself a favor. Show me the way. Let's take it. That's right, Helen. Don't pack your bags. We have a plane to catch.
Mariner?
Come on, fish boy. Now it's time to turn the face of the new world. What do you about man? Or fish?
Look at the boat!
You're not going anywhere, Helen. At least not with a hole in your boat. No! You're ruining everything! Why would you die? Put it up, buddy! Put it up! You shut down my seaplane. No matter. Because I got your girl. And I killed all your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't even have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes, I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Draw land is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? No! I'll get you! I'll get you! Mariner!
And so the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of Waterworld.